Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to file a Geico motorcycle or RV insurance claim in 2025. Now this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into your Geico account. You can choose to log in to your Geico account online on the Geico website, or you can do that through the Geico mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to click on claims and then select a motorcycle or RV as the type of claim that you're filing. Next, you're going to enter the claim information. So go ahead and enter the claims information, including the date of the incident and a description of what happened. Next, you're going to upload supporting documentation. That includes photos of the damage as well as repair estimates. Next, you're going to review and submit the claim. Just make sure you review that to make sure that the details are accurate, and then submit the claim. And once you have that submitted, just wait for a claim adjuster to contact you from Geico. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to file a Geico motorcycle or RV insurance claim. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.